You finish the edit, open YouTube audio library. The tracks are too basic. You try epidemic sound, too expensive. You download 12 random tracks, preview them one by one. None of them hit. You go back to searching. Meanwhile, your client is waiting. That's not a workflow. That's just tab switching and calling it sound design. But there's a smarter way to work now. It's called ACE, Studio Video Composer, where you drop your video and an AI agent watches it, builds the entire soundtrack, and drops everything on an editable timeline automatically. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how. Let's get into it. First, open ACE Studio and create a new blank project. You'll land on the main workspace. This is your canvas, basically your timeline. Think Premiere Pro or Final Cut, but built for AI-powered audio. Now, just drag and drop your video directly onto the canvas. It automatically creates a video track. No setup, no friction. If your video already has audio that you don't need, right-click the clip and hit Detach Audio. Now it's separated. You can delete it, mute it, or keep it. Total control from the start. Now, here's where things get interesting. Double-click your video clip to open the video monitor. On the right side, you'll see the AI agent. This is a chat-style panel. Think ChatGPT or Claude, but trained like a professional sound designer who has already watched your entire video. Because that's exactly what it's doing. It understands your scenes, your cuts, your pacing. Now you just tell it what you need. Let's start with music. I'll type, create a cinematic Hollywood style track with a tense vibe. And watch this. It analyzes the video, builds the prompt, and generates the track. And look at this. The music appears directly on your timeline. As an editable clip, no downloads, no importing. It's already there, ready to move, cut, fade, and mix. Let's play it. Wait, this actually sounds like a proper cinematic score. It's not random. It's reacting to the scene, the timing, the energy. It just fits. And I didn't touch anything. No more testing 10 random tracks from different sites. But this is just half of it. Let's add sound effects. Same panel. Switch to SFX. I'll just simply type. Add sound effects to the entire video. No detailed prompt, no overthinking. Just tell it what you want and let it handle the rest. Now watch closely. It doesn't dump everything at once. It places sound effects one by one, exactly where they belong. What normally takes 30 to 45 minutes manually just happened in seconds. And it gets better. If you want a specific sound effect at a specific moment, you can do that too. Just select the part of the timeline, right-click and describe exactly what you want. Simple. Now, important part. You're not locked into anything. Click any audio clip. Double-click to open settings. You can adjust volume, add fades, trim it perfectly. Want full control? Press M to open the mixer. Now you can balance every track individually. Mute, adjust, fine-tune, just like a professional setup. The AI gives you the first draft. You make it perfect. Now let's export. Currently, you can export audio only. Just drop that audio into your editing software and you're done. Now, let's see the final result. Honestly, that turned out really well. We didn't spend hours doing everything manually, but the final result still feels polished. You should absolutely try this on your next edit. That's it for this video. Try Ace Studio from the link in the description and use it in your next project. You'll save hours. Also, if you use the link below, you'll automatically get 5% off. And if needed, you can also use code NEW to edit. And as always, keep watching, keep editing.